Okay, this is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. I'm going to be looking at electricity bills. It's a consumer arithmetic topic on the CSEC math syllabus. Example 1. The electricity rates in Seatown are as follows. The first 100 units cost 40 cents each. Remaining units cost 30 cents each. What is the electricity bill for the following? So first, 170 units. What we're going to do first is calculate the amount for the first 100 units. That will be 100 times 40 cents, which is going to give us $40. Then we have the remaining units. How do we work that out? We subtract 100 from 170, which would give us 70 units. So that 70, you will multiply it by 30 cents, and that will give us $21. We total that. 40 plus 21 will give us $61. Number 2, 85 units. So this 85 will fall within the first 100 units. So we're going to multiply 85 by 40 cents. And that's going to give us $34. Final answer. Here we have meter reading, previous and present. So we need to figure out the amount of units used for this particular customer. So what would we do? We would subtract 5623 or 05623 from 06420, which is equals to 797 units used. Let's look at the rates. First 50 units cost 40 cents. Next 100 units, 35 cents each. And the remaining would cost 30 cents each. So first 50 units, that is going to give us 50 times 40 cents, which is equals to $20. The next 100 times 35 cents, that is going to give us $35. The remaining, how do we find the remaining? We add what we have calculated from before. 50 plus 100, as you can see here, we subtract it from the total, and that is going to give us 647. So that 647 is going to be multiplied by 30 cents, which will give us $194.10. We're going to now calculate the total, which would be to add up $20 plus $35 plus 194.10, giving us a grand total of $249.10. Our third example is find the number of units used by Miss Peggy, whose electricity bill is $145. So this question is a little different. Now you have to figure out the amount of units used by this particular customer. But let's look at the rates again. Seatown, the electricity rates are first 50 units, 40 cents each. Next 100 units, 35 cents each. The remaining units cost 30 cents each. So let's work out the first 50. Don't mind, we do not know her total units used, but the first 50 would be 50 by 40 cents, with $20. The next 100 would be 100 times 35 cents, which is $35. We're going to add that, and that is going to give us $55. So the first 150 units cost $55. Remaining units cost 30 cents, but we don't know. So let us take what is left back. So we're going to subtract $55 from the total, her bill of $145, which is going to give us $90. So obviously this 90 would be for this particular section, the remaining units. Now how are we going to figure out how much remaining units she had? Take that $90 to change and divide it by the 30 cents, which is going to give us 300 units. 300 units. And then we're going to take that plus the 150 from before, and her total would have been 450 units. So Miss Peggy used 450 units. That's why her bill was $145. Thank you so much for listening to that video. Here we're going to have our final question. The meter rental, $35. This person had a previous and a present. The previous was 4023 and the present was 4523. The energy charges, first 100, 30 cents each. Next 50 units, 25 cents each. The remaining units will be 20 cents per unit. Let's find her total. So again, we will subtract 4023 from 4523, which is 500 units used. So calculate the electricity bill payable, which would be first 100 times 30 cents, $30. The next 50 units, remember we're following this. Next 50 is 25 cents, so 50 times 25 cents, $12.50. The remaining units, we add these two together here. The units, 100 plus 50 is 150. Take that from the total, which will give us 350, and that will be the remaining units. So we take 350 times 20 is equals to $70. So her total bill would be $30 plus $12.50 plus $70 gives us a total of $112.50. So we take that total, $112.50, and we add it to, yes, the meter rental, $35. So her final bill will be $147.50. This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. This video was on electricity bills. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more.